Alright guys, this is a Batman remote control right there. It's only very cheap for it. Alright Steve, where you guys are going? You have to make it straight, boy. Alright, one more. You're doing it perfectly now, boy. Yay! Lights, camera, action.
G.
Press the button.
G.
Yay! You did it. Good.
What?
On the Lego right there. Okay, Macho wants to slide everything. Okay.
Da, da, da.
Inside the bottle is the blue car, the penguin, snow penguin, and the ready, get set, go. Ready, get set, go.
We're gonna push it. There's
They're just a symbol.
It has
They're just a symbol.
a little side to shoot the guns. This is a popular Batman toy, and it came like from 30 years ago. And want to show them how to shoot? Yeah.
Where's the sign?
Now time to attack this person right here. Ah! You can't catch me anymore.
Answer the telephone.
Morgan is calling. Let's go.
Your mask is okay, okay?
Yeah.
It's time to open your Batman
Yeah.
mobile.
Yeah. Okay.
Look out. Stand clear for the back pod.
Close it. Open it.
The back pod is built for battling crime.
I can put this.
Oh,
The back pod is perfect for tight spaces.
okay. Oh, there's a bullet right there. Okay. Now we're just gonna load it right there. Okay, now we're gonna
Open it.
open it right in the bottom right here. Answer the telephone.
Morgan is calling. Let's go.
I thought you're supposed to shoot it right there. Okay, that's how you play.
And busy.
Macho, let's go. Shh. Shh.